What is coronavirus this 2019? Coronavirus this 2019 or COVID-19 is a respiratory illness that can spread from person to person. The virus that caused COVID-19 is a novel coronavirus that was first identified during an investigation into an outbreak in Wuhan, China. Can I get COVID-19? Yes, COVID-19 is spreading from person to person in parts of the world. Risk of infection from the virus that causes COVID-19 is higher for people who are close contacts of someone known to have COVID-19. For example, healthcare workers or household member. Other people at higher risk for infection are those who live in or have recently been in an area with ongoing spread of COVID-19. Who does COVID-19 spread? The virus that caused COVID-19 probably emerged from an animal source, but is now spreading from person to person. The virus is thought to spread mainly between people who are in close contact with one another, weighing about 6 feet. Through respiratory droplets produced when an infection person causes or sneezes. It also may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possible their eyes, but this is not thought to be the main way the virus spread. Diagnosis of coronavirus infection. To diagnose a coronavirus infection, the doctor will start with anamnesis or medical interview. Here the doctor will ask for a complaint to report patient. In addition, the doctor will also perform a physical examination and blood tests for help make the diagnosis. The doctor may also do a sputum test, take a sample from the throat or other respiratory specimen for a suspicion case of infection with the novel coronavirus. The doctor will perform third swab, TPL, hepatitis function, kidney function. Coronavirus infection treatment. There is no special treatment to deal with coronavirus infection. Generally, people will recover on its own. However, there are a number of attempts that can be made to diffuse its symptom of coronavirus infection. Example, take over-the-counter medicine to reduce pain, fever, and cough. However, do not give aspirin to children. In addition, do not give cough medicine to children under 4 years. Use a humidifier or take a hot shower to help relieve pain, throat, and cough much rates. increase your intake of body fluid. If you are concerned about your symptoms, immediately contact your service provider health classes. The Center for Strategic and International Studies (CSIS) in its study report noted that in the first period, namely March 1 March 14, 2020, about 64.6% of cases were in DKI Jakarta, meanwhile 18.8% of cases are in West Java, followed by Banten, where positive identification of COVID-19 reached around the 0.4% of the total positive cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia in the first period. But 14 March 2020 of or the second period, it is seen that the spread of COVID-19 has formed clusters. Now the proportion of COVID-19 suffered in DKI fell to 49%, and in West Java it also fell to 12.8%. Although it should also be noted that the two provinces are still at the center of the COVID-19 outbreak, said Philippines Thermometer, exclusive director of CSIS Indonesia. Furthermore, from the data presented by CSIS, it was also seen that there was a significant increase in cases in Central Java. The proportion of 6%, East Java 6.1%, and South Sulawesi 3.8%. What is interesting is Bali, where the province was considered vulnerable from the start, with a high increase in the number of COVID-19 infections given the high rate of population mobility between countries.